Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, what a move on the chart of GBPUSD yesterday. And the reason was DXY. So DXY started falling after making a high of 102.85. And the main reason behind this fall was the retail sales yesterday. It was worse than expected. So there was a big drop on the chart of DXY. But again, DXY recovered also after making a high of 101.52. Right now, DXY is standing at 102.40. So these are some internal movements on the chart of DXY, but overall the trend of DXY is still bearish and still trading inside the temporary zone here. So the zone of DXY is 103.50 at the top as resistance and then 101.25 at the bottom as support. As already I have discussed that if DXY breaks 101.25, then things will be very bad, critical for DXY. But there's a news that dollar rises on safe haven bids. Dollar rose broadly on Thursday as growth concerns about the US economy drove demand for the safe haven greenback. So there may be some upside, some recovery in the coming days. To be honest, I am not sure right now. Okay, the chart will speak, but as of now, we can see that DXY is still trading inside the zone only. Okay, so by next week, maybe we will get a better picture if DXY recovers. But as of now, DXY's chart is bearish. As a result, we will consider that only. Now, let's look at the chart of pound dollar. So yesterday, GBPUSD entered inside the resistance zone and reversed immediately. And the zone was 1.2430 to 1.2450. This was a very strong resistance zone and GBPUSD somehow could not break it. So 1.2430 to 1.2450 is still the resistance zone for us. Today also, if the GBPUSD goes up, observe GBPUSD around this area. There's a good chance that GBPUSD will be reversing. In case DXY breaks the support and starts falling, then obviously GBPUSD will be going up. Otherwise, if DXY doesn't do anything, okay, stays inside the zone only, then there's a high chance that GBPUSD will reverse from this resistance zone here. So today, my dear friends, if you see GBPUSD around 1.2430, 1.2450, observe the market. If you see market is struggling, market is showing price rejection from above, if you see market forming a shooting star kind of a pattern, then you can consider taking a sell position again, because there's a good chance that market may form a double top kind of a pattern as well. And for additional confirmation, you can look at the chart of DXY. If you see that DXY is more or less normal, okay, it is trading above 101.25, then you can consider taking a sell position. But in case DXY breaks 101.25, DXY shows big red candles, then obviously you should avoid taking a sell position, not only on GBPUSD, on Euro USD, Gold, AUD USD, and ZD USD. So for additional confirmation, please look at the chart of DXY. Now, the support levels. The first support is 1.2300. Why we are considering this support? We are using here the Fibonacci retracement. We can see that around the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, we have got previous resistance to act as support. Okay, previous resistance is acting as support, as well as we have got Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So as a result, 1.2300 looks like a good support to us. If market comes to 1.2300 and bounces, we can consider taking a buy position. But in my previous videos also, I have already mentioned that on the chart of GBPUSD, or especially in case of GBPUSD, Fibonacci 50% retracement level and Fibonacci 61.8 plays a very important role, very special role. So if 1.2300 or 1.2295, this level fails to provide support to the market, then please observe the market around 1.2260 to 1.2250, this level, and this the 1.2220, 1.2210. Okay, 1.2260, 1.2250 is the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. Personally, if I see that there is no breakdown on the chart of DXY, then definitely I'll consider taking a buy position around Fibonacci 50, that is 1.2260 or 1.2250. And we have 1.2220 and 1.2210. You can write down these levels. Okay, you can also take a screenshot. Ta-da!